Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the chords to The Best Part. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E. We're not using a capo, and we'll need to learn 4 chords. The first chord is D major 7. I'm holding down the A string at fret 5, the D string at fret 7, the G string at fret 6, and the B string at fret 7. Now we can also just bar that and hold those strings down and play the E string as well at fret 5. But we're not going to need that. We're only going to need the strings between the B string and the A string for that chord. We'll be playing it this way, gently pinching the B string and the A string. We'll need an A minor 7 played like this. We're holding down the E string, the D string, the G string, and the B string at fret 5. The A string is left open, or you can mute it, whichever. We're only going to need the low E string and the B string to pick. Like that. We'll pinch it. We'll need a G major chord formed this way. We'll raise that chord to fret 6 for a B flat chord. And we'll strum that one from the B string and strumming the low E string as well, pinching it this way. And then we'll move this finger down to the B string, fret 8, and play that. So we'll play it this way. We'll play the song this way. We'll start with our D major 7 chord, and we'll be pinching the chord from the A string and B string like this. We'll do it twice, but between the strums, we'll tap the strings like that. So we'll play this. So basically what you're doing is putting your hand back on the same strings that you plucked. Like that. Here we go. D major 7, A minor 7, G major, move it up to B flat major, and then move that finger down to the B string. So here's the entire thing. Well, all right. And that's how I play The Best Part on acoustic or electric guitar. It can be played the same way. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.